Everybody knows I'm a big weather buff, and for the last hour and a half, almost 2 hours, we've got a crazy lightning show going on here in Brunswick. There's an isolated thunderstorm cell that is just sitting off the coast, and I've never seen anything like this before. It's not showing up on the phone, but look at that. Well, yeah, it is. You can just stand here and look at this. This is apocalyptic almost, and what's freaky about it is there's no sound. If you notice, you don't hear any thunder at all, and the cloud is almost kind of bluish purple. It's this weird color. Look at that. This is one of the craziest things I've ever seen. So here you go. It's like being at a silent rock show.